Hey, it's Gigi with the gems, and we're gonna do another HS video. I did wet my skin before applying the soap. What you want to do is you want to rub it in. Um, a good thing to avoid when you have HS is a lot of sugars, is a lot of milk, is a lot of letting, just eating a whole lot of unhealthy foods. Also, not putting barrier, like skin barrier, um, in places that you be rubbing and chafing a lot will cause a lot of that HS and sweating and tunnelling as well. Trying new products that isn't good for sensitive skin, rather is deodorant, rather is anything. If it's not for sensitive skin, it is not for you. I use a cleanser for my full body that is for sensitive skin or for mild skin. So when I wash my whole body, even my armpits, I don't have HS breakouts underneath my armpits, because I know what it's like or what it feels like or what certain dyes and chemicals do to my body. So, for instance, I wash up with Ivory, but I do a different routine for my thighs. I still use Ivory full body on my thighs, but yeah. So I just wanted to give you guys a more informative video with this with this thigh wash routine, because a lot of people aren't aware of the things that trigger them or the things that hurt them. And again, I said that if you use body scrubs and you exfoliate in that area a lot, what it does is just causes thinness and causes more bumps to break out or more boils to occur or more size. So you just really want to be careful and be gentle in that area. That's how come you see me in a lot of my videos gently massaging that soap into my thighs with my hand, because my hand is the gentlest thing. Like, this area is already prone for disaster. It's already blackheads. It's already potential sites. It's already um, boils. It's already scar tissue. It's already tunneling. It's just a lot of things going on there. So when I wash and I scrub or massage it, I'm just going to use my hand. And then I will go in with a softer wash towel with my Ivory. But have a great day, you guys.